Hey, we're over at go2math.com. Click on the radicals, and we're doing 3.2, I believe. 3.2. We just did 3.1, yeah. Not much variation in 3.1, but we got a little variation here. We've got 6 roots of, and in parentheses, which this is actually all under the radical, negative 20. 6 roots of negative 20 raised to the 6th. If I can remember that. 6 roots of negative 20. Now, this piece here is raised to the 6th power. Okay. All right. So, instead of getting this huge number, this would be some kind of huge number here, and instead of doing that, negative 20 times negative 20 times negative 20 6 times, we don't want to do that. We're going to go ahead and convert this back into, well, I say it's exponential form. This is radical form here, but with rational exponents. And so the way this works is, I'm not sure I've mentioned this yet, this is negative 20 raised to the 6th power. Okay? This whole thing here, when we convert from this form to with rational exponents, this is 1 over 6. You see that 1 over 6? And then, of course, what do we do with the powers? We multiply them. Okay? So 6 times 1/6 gives us 1. So therefore, we're equal to negative 20. Right? It's equal to negative 20. However, this is this guy right here is an even number. And if you multiplied a negative number an even number of times, say for example negative 20 times negative 20, okay, that'd be 2 times, we'd end up with a positive number, right? We'd end up with a positive number because negative times a negative is a positive number here. You see that? Okay. If you went through and did this where you multiplied the exponents, you would end up with 1, and then you'd end up with negative 20 raised to the 1st power, which is actually negative 20. So as you can see here, this is actually not equal to negative 20, but it's actually equal to positive 20. So this is what you got to really watch out for. Okay, it's kind of tricky. All right. Yeah. So anyway, gotta be careful about these kind of things. 20 there, right? Okay. All right. Let's go over here. Is it tricky? There's tricks out there. All right. Let's check, see if this works. Bam. All right. Okay. So there you go. All right, we're over here at go2math.com getting it worked out. See you in the next problem.